My husband just called me all excited to tell me that he bought a dog. A dog. He bought this dog for our kids. Let me tell you right now, this is my dog. This is going to be my dog. My husband works 6 days a week outside of the home from like 7 a.m. till 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock at night sometimes. He's not home. I'm the one that works from home. Guess who's taking care of the dog? I'm sure when I see this dog, it's going to be so cute and melt my heart and blah, 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 but I do not have time for a puppy right now. I don't have time. I am trying to run my own small business. I am the primary caretaker of our 2 children. Please help me not freak out. I cannot believe my husband bought a dog.